It's the weekend, which means it's time for pancakes. All right, we gotta start mixing. Let's do it. Keep making. Oh! We went astray. Is Micah making a mess? Oh, pancakes. You ready, buddy? Yeah. You're ready. Mix. Good job, buddy. You're doing great. Here we go. Time to fill the bottle. Let's do it. Normally we do this over the sink. Let's see. Oh, good holding. Oh, hold it right there. Good teamwork. Oh, yep. Let's leave it. Oh! It's okay. We're good. Pan on. Yeah, buddy. Look, get hot. Gotta find a picture. Dog cartoon. You know what? We've never done a little pup like this one right here. Let's do this. There's Isaiah's pup. Wait, buddy. Oh, hey, what? Micah, what's on your face? What's on your face? Oh, it's pancake mix, huh? Yeah, it's pancake mix. It's just a little bit. Okay, let's scoot you over here. Isaiah, you excited? Hey, your doggy's coming. It's okay. We got the bottle, thin tip, wide tip ready. We got our flipper, pans hot. Time to start doing it. Micah, can we leave it there? Flipper high five. Hi, buddy.
This dog is being pretty awesome.
Here we go. Gotta let those cook a little bit. Switch over to the wider tip. Assist. Oh, drop from the top. We're gonna save that for the eyebrows since they're the white part on the face, right? Bye. There we go. Let it sit for another second.
Hey.
Is it looking good?
Yeah.
What do we think? I still need to drop it on the top? Yeah, I think so. Ah!
Then I want to drop from the top.
You want to drop from the top? Okay, you know what, buddy? We haven't done this before. We need to be very careful because the pan is hot. So what I'm gonna do is this. You hold this. Okay, get ready. Daddy's just gonna hold the pan right over here. And you're going to just hold your hand way far away and then drop it on there. Right on the, yes! Okay, good job. Now over here. Yes! You did it! Oh, way to go! Okay. Good job. Oh, that's the that's the right way to clean it. Look at that. There's the little face we're working off of. Let's see how we did. Boys, it's the countdown. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom! He's pretty cute. Okay, number 1. On the plate. Oh. Isaiah's excited about it. Flippers. So here we are. Weekend morning at the house of the Pancake Papa. We have one pancake. Turned out pretty good. Isaiah's excited about it. Right? That was a good little pup, buddy. Yeah, you liked it? Oh. Other pancake? Wilburn. But you know what? Micah, do you like your kitty cat? Yeah, you happy? You still gonna eat that? I think so. All right. Good job, team. Do I get a kiss from you? And Isaiah? I love you, buddy. Pancakes!